Starting over is hard. Starting over with children, no safety net, and while leaving an abusive marriage, that was me. That requires a different level of strength and tenacity and determination. This is not about it being another business story. This is a story of survival. And if you are in a place where you are trying to rebuild your life and figure out how you are going to support yourself and others, meaning your babies, then this message is for you. Welcome. My name is Tracie Collins, and I help women founders and leaders build, scale, and create businesses that are assets. The reality of the situation. I did not start my business from a place of luxury or a place of excess of time. I started my business from a place of necessity. I had children depending on me, and I was navigating all the while the emotional and mental and financial weight of leaving an abusive relationship and starting over, trying to figure out what is next. The narrative today is that entrepreneurship is glamorous, but I am here to give you the hard truth. It is absolutely not. There is a lot of grit and late nights, long hours, and early mornings that go into that. But for many women, especially those leaving difficult relationships, it is also about survival. It is about creating income quickly with limited amount of resources and being under pressure at the same time. For me, I had to shift my mindset from what can I build someday to what can I monetize on right now with what I already know that is going to make an immediate difference of my situation. The turning point for me was realizing that waiting was not an option. I had to move quickly. I didn't have the luxury of time, and many moms understand that. I had to deal with what I looked at, meaning my existing skills, things that I already knew, things that I had already done, and people whom I had already supported and who had come to me for certain desired outcomes and things that I already knew. That became my starting point. Start thinking about what you already know and how you can start to make money from it. I didn't overcomplicate it. I focused on one thing. How do I turn my knowledge into income immediately? That was it. That one decision alone changed everything for me. Because when you are in survival mode, the line is about becoming more clear. That is how your survival can be leveraged, and it makes you much sharper. I focused on three key things within that. Number one is monetizing what I already knew. I already had certifications and I already had trainings. I already did that. But what I did differently is I took my lived experience, my skill set, and my knowledge, and I began to put everything together to capitalize on that. Number two, keeping it simple. Please don't overcomplicate anything. Keep it simple. No overcomplicated business plans, no seeking to be perfect. I offered a service that solved a problem. Number three, direct outreach and relationships. Leverage relationships. I tell my leaders and my founders that old school networking never goes out of style. I went and I put myself out there. I spoke to people. I shared what I was doing. I leveraged conversations all before there was even a social media. There was no such thing as social media when I got started. But what I did was I built income before there was even such thing as a brand. And that is where many people are going wrong. You build income first and your branding will come. I want to be very clear. It was not easy. There was tons of moments where I was scared, when I doubted myself, or when I even questioned, could I carry the weight of everything that I was doing and my babies that depended on me all at the same time while trying to rebuild my life. But when you have children watching you, depending upon you, something in you absolutely shifts. You move differently. You are more determined than ever. You become even more resourceful and even more focused. You become unwilling to go back to what broke you, and that makes you who you are. That, my dear, is your fuel. If you are in a situation where you are trying to leave, trying to rebuild, or start over, please understand this. First and foremost, you can absolutely do it. It is about alignment, getting in community with other people and women who understand you and who have done it and can tell you and support you how to do it yourself. You don't need to have everything figured out. If nothing else, I encourage you not to focus on that. But you are one decision away. You need to decide and you need to identify what you can do right now. And you need to act and act fast. Your first business is not going to be and does not have to be your forever business. But what it can do is it can create stability. This is the work that I do. I help women just like you who are ready to figure it out. I help women put into place a structure that they can begin to generate income stability and eventually a freedom-based business on. If you are ready to move from survival mode into strategy, then I invite you to connect with me. I invite you to go deeper. And if you don't want to wait and you want to get started immediately, join my leader community. It is a community of women, entrepreneurs and leaders, founders who are in the same position, who are elevating their life. They are turning their ideas into income. They are coming from behind the corporate lens and no longer giving their intellectual property over to companies and corporations for free. It is about what can you do right now that you can monetize on. And let's begin to map out your next steps. You can also book a clarity session with me. Get on my calendar to get started. This is about your next level because your next chapter is not defined by where you are now or where you've come from. It is defined by what you choose to build next because it is going to be great. I have everything linked below if you're ready to get started, and I'll see you then.